Ready to launch your career with real-world impact? At Downer Rail and Transit Systems, we're not just moving trains, we're moving Australia forward. Whether you're a current student or a recent graduate, our cadet and graduate programs are your ticket to the future of rail transport solutions.
The highlight of working at Downer so far has been just seeing all these trains being built, everything, as an engineer, it's really interesting.
The big highlight for me was the opportunity to work on the Pinnacles reward program that we've got in RTS.
Learning about more about trains, all of the different intricacies of how the different subsections work.
I'm looking forward to creating something or working on something that, I'll be able to see in coming years and be a very tangible thing.
I'm looking forward to meeting other like-minded cadets and working alongside experienced engineers.
The different ways that engineering can be applied in the industry. So I'm looking forward to sort of seeing the different teams and how everything comes together.
Technical knowledge can get you so far, but if you've got no leadership skills, no people skills, you're sort of going to plateau, I guess. So probably learning a lot about leadership.
From building high-capacity metro trains in Victoria to delivering Australia's largest passenger fleet in Sydney and creating the country's most accessible fleet in Queensland, Downer RTS turns innovation into solutions.
Rail just offers some really interesting engineering and physics kind of problems to solve and wrap your head around.
Projects in a totally different city and learn about trains that I've never ridden on.
Learning what an electrical engineer really does really excites me.
Have a place to learn and be able to make mistakes under the guidance of experienced engineers.
Here's why you should join. Gain access to professional training, certification, and resources in this accelerated development program. Rotate through varying projects across the country. Enjoy a great starting salary, large range of benefits, and take advantage of flexible work options. Work on world-class projects that build a foundation for your career. So, what's next? Join the Downer Rail and Transit Systems team, and let's move your career forward together.
Just the variety of it is what's so exciting to me.